Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to use Ahrefs to improve your SEO strategies. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential features of Ahrefs and how you can leverage them to boost your website's visibility and ranking on search engines. But first, let's start with a quick overview of what Ahrefs is. Ahrefs is an all-in-one SEO toolset that helps you analyze your website's performance, track your competitors, and discover new opportunities to optimize your content for search engines. One of the key features of Ahrefs is its powerful keyword research tool. With Ahrefs, you can identify high-volume keywords relevant to your niche, analyze their search volume, competition level, and even get insights into the ranking difficulty. By targeting the right keywords, you can attract more organic traffic to your website and improve your chances of ranking higher in search engine results pages. Another crucial aspect of SEO is ensuring that your website is optimized for search engines. Ahrefs Site Audit feature allows you to analyze your site's technical health, identify issues such as broken links, crawl errors, and duplicate content. By fixing these issues, you can improve your website's crawlability and make it more search engine friendly, ultimately leading to better rankings. Backlinks play a significant role in determining your website's authority and credibility in the eyes of search engines. With Ahrefs backlink analysis tool, you can see who is linking to your site, analyze your competitors' backlink profiles, and identify opportunities to build quality backlinks. By earning high-quality backlinks from authoritative websites, you can improve your website's trustworthiness and boost your rankings in search results. Lastly, Ahrefs rank tracking feature allows you to monitor your website's performance in search results for specific keywords over time. By tracking your rankings, you can identify trends, measure the effectiveness of your SEO efforts, and make data-driven decisions to improve your strategy. In conclusion, Ahrefs is a powerful tool that can help you optimize your website for search engines, attract more organic traffic, and ultimately, grow your online presence. By leveraging its various features, you can stay ahead of the competition and achieve your SEO goals. Thank you for watching our guide on how to use Ahrefs to improve SEO. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on digital marketing. Until next time, happy optimizing!